Welcome to the show How to Cook Real Mexican Food with the original Mexican chefs. Your chef of today will be Fer. Hello, how are you? Are you hungry? Okay, we will begin with our first recipe of today. It will be scrambled Mexican eggs. So let's begin. Okay, so some of the necessary things that we need to do before we begin to cook is that we will need to wash our hands with soap, with liquid soap and with water. Also, we must have our hair up and we need a bit so that we don't get our clothes damaged. Okay, so this is a warning thing for you. Please don't get near to the kitchen if you really don't know how even to cut a carrot or to cut something, because if not you can get damaged and you can have some problems with yourself. So please don't get near to the kitchen if you can't even do that, okay? The first step would be to crack 4 eggs. These 4 eggs are like almost for 2 people, so you can see how much do you need, but in this case we will just need 4, okay? So first we will crack them all and then we will mix them. Okay, so now we mix all the eggs until the yolk and the white are combined, and now we will add the salt, just a little bit, very few. We will add the pepper, like this. The amount depends on the wish and how much do you want. We will add this one, and finally the Miguelito. So like this. Okay. You can add how much do you want. Okay, so now we will mix it again until it is completely combined, and then we will come to the next step. So now our next step will be to cut the half an onion, and also that we will cut our tomatoes and our bell pepper. Now that we have our vegetable very cut and beautiful, now we will use our oil. We can use about 2 tablespoons, and we will put them into the pan so we can begin to cook. Just remember something, we have to leave some 30 seconds for the oil to get warm so that we can begin to cook. Okay, so first we will put it okay. So now that the oil is warm, now we will take this to the pan. Okay, so now we will mix all of them in here into the pan with the oil, so they get very mixed. Okay, so our next step is to get the eggs with the vegetables that are already cooked. So like this. So we will leave it a little bit to get cooked, and we will get mixed everything in just a second. So here, as you can see, it is almost done. We are still all crumble it mixing it, and in some minutes it will be done already, and it will be ready to eat. Okay, so as you can see, it is all ready. So then we can now take it here and we can serve it. Okay, in case that you can't add some flavor extra, You can add some cheese like manchego cheese or Oaxaca cheese, so you can get another like taste or flavor as you wish.
Thank you.